Hey there everybody, my name's Max. I'm a music teacher here on Gabriola Island, British Columbia, Canada, Snuneymuxw traditional territory, and I'm getting in touch to let everybody know that I'm teaching online music lessons. It's just like a regular music lesson, one-on-one, except that we do it online, so through your favorite video messaging app, like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, Skype or Zoom. All ages on banjo and guitar, both electric and acoustic. Happy to work with kids. And my technique is that, well, I like to work towards your goals, be really clear about what it is you want to do with the instrument so it's enjoyable and interesting for you, whether that's songwriting or playing with friends or making your own videos. Yeah, we just talk about what you want to do, and I use my 20 years of experience to help you get there. So that's Max from Gabriola. Teach banjo, guitar, and ukulele online. All ages. I'm happy to do a sliding scale if it happens to be out of your budget. So I hope you get in touch if you're curious, if you want to learn how to play one of these instruments, if you want to learn how to write some songs, if you want a musical coach to guide you in your musical journey, please get in touch and we can make some music, beautiful music together. Have a great day.